Hey, good boy. Enjoy eating well. Hey, good boy, Tyler. What a good boy. Hmm? It's okay. Keep eating. Hey, good boy. Yeah. Hey, yummy. Hey, Auntie put some cooked beef together. You didn't want to eat kibbles. Hey, good boy. Eat more. Huh? Eat more. Huh? Come here. Come more. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. Good boy, Tyler. Eat more. Eat well. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. Hey. You good boy. Eat more. Hey, good boy. Eat more. Hey, good boy. Good boy. Hey, Tyler is a big boy now. Oh my. Hey, yes. Good boy. It's okay. Enjoy. 아유, enjoy, Tyler. 아유, good boy. Auntie's watching. It's okay. Good boy. Hi, good boy. Yeah, enjoy. Eat well. You have to eat well. If you eat well, tomorrow we're gonna have a fun day. Auntie was so busy today. Hey, it's okay. Go. Tyler. Go. Good boy. Hey, eat more. Hey. Good boy. More. Hey, good boy. Eat more. Come here. Tyler, go there. Hey, come here. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. Hey, eat well. Tomorrow we're gonna have a fun day. Auntie was so busy today. So busy day today because trainings. Oh la la. Tomorrow it's more flexible day. We're gonna go to doggy park. We're gonna have fun. Hi.
Tomorrow, what do you have to do?
Tomorrow I have to see my calendar. No more. Ayo. Hey, Pipi. Why Pipi is there? Because Tyler is eating. Pipi, I'm gonna give you your food too. Don't worry about it. Hey, drink water. Hey, more water. I'll give you more water. Come here, Tyler. Come here. This is Tyler's crate. This is Pipi's playground. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. There's a brush here. Go to balcony. Hey, good boy. Do you like it? That's my plant. That's my plant. Hey, you like it? Do you like it? That's my plant. My baby plant. Yeah. We're gonna go out for poo. Come here. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. Pipi. Hey, good girl. Eat more. No? You don't want to eat any more?